Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing and installation of Smith 25 liter geyser. The geyser comes in this box and it is a 5-star rated geyser. Here you can see the rating, and coming to the price mentioned on the box is 9500, but you can get it for approximately 7 to 8000 depending upon offer. I bought it from Flipkart. I will give the link of both Flipkart and Amazon in the description box. Please do check that. On opening the box, here you can see that you will find the booklets. In total you will get 3 booklets, and inside that booklet you will have the warranty information also. And apart from booklets you will also get screws. You can use these screws to fix the geyser on the wall, and also you will get the wall which you need to fix on the geyser. So that's it guys, please do watch this video till the end. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.